Hello, please take a look at that. This is my dates, just some dates from calendar from this year, and I want to add work days, for instance 7 work days after 13th of October this year, and I want to get next date, and next date is 21st of October. And let's check it. Weekends are Sunday, Saturday, so I have these weekends. They are one base, so the first day of week, Monday, is 1. So if Monday is a weekend for you, just add 1. So my weekends are 6 and 7 in this case. Next, if I start with the 13th of October, next I go to 14th, and this is 2 work days. Next, weekends, and next I have 5 more days up to the 21st of October, and this is the date I wanted to find. So this is my named function called workdays add, and as you see now I use it with these curly brackets, so I've added my weekends just inside the formula without reference to the cell, to some cell. So I have 2 lines, 2 columns which I use. Column B7 through B is my days, and column C7 through C is my work days to add. And you may notice this minus 7 means minus 7 days starting from this and including this day. For instance, the same day here, the 13th of October, so I have 4 days here, and I also have 3 days here. So the correct answer should be the 5th of October for this and for minus 7. Let's look. You see, this is the same formula placed here, and it gave me this correct result. So that's it. And how this formula works? Well, you may wonder how I made it work. Then you will see this plus. You can click on it and you can see the definition. Here it is. It is long formula, but it's not that hard because I just use sequence. I just use sequence of dates. For instance, sequence starting from the 13th of October. Next it will go a few more days, like 4 possible weekends plus 7 gives me 11. So I start from this 13th of October, then go sequence to 11 days ahead. So in this particular case, I will go from 13th of October to 11 days. I will go up here, here, and here. And I will check which day 1 if it's not weekend, if it's working day, and put 0 if it is a weekend, and then just count them and find the 7th position. So that's my logic. It's just inside the formula, so it's nothing special here. If you look at it more attentively, look at this definition here in F7, you can find all these steps, and of course they are made with lambdas just to shorten the formula, but lambda is not needed here. To be strict, you can do that, all these calculations without lambda too. So thank you for watching, and of course, as always, waiting for your comments and your thoughts about dates and which challenges are you faced when you work with dates. Maybe this will be topic of my next video. Thank you.